Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics before you hunt for the live button. Confirm your account meets age and follower requirements, then update the app. Once done, verify your phone or email and grant camera and microphone permission in device settings. Now open TikTok, sign in, and go to the Center Plus button. Don't open settings first, head directly to Creation Flow. You'll see camera. Swipe or tap until live appears. This is the first actionable step to reveal the live option. Once you see the live option, select it and take care of setup details that matter. You'll enter a screen to add a title, make it searchable and concise, then pick a cover image and the category that matches your stream. Next, enable comment filters, moderator accounts, and duet or guest settings if needed. If you want to test, switch to private or schedule the stream. This avoids embarrassing live mistakes and lets you confirm audio, lighting, and bitrate before going public. Now you're ready. Tap Go Live and start with a strong greeting to hook viewers in the first 30 seconds, and use on-screen prompts to manage guests and gifts. Monitor chat and mute or remove abusive commenters via moderation tools, and keep an eye on stream health indicators. When finished, end the stream deliberately, save the recording if you want highlights, and review analytics to learn what worked. If the live button never appears, double-check age and follower counts, update or reinstall the app, clear cache, and contact TikTok support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.